Hey, beautiful people. What is up? It's your girl, Gabby of Truly Gab, and today we are doing a vlog. So, I am in the car. I say we, me and you. I'm on the way to my parents' house. It's my mom's birthday celebration, which I'm so excited about because it's going to be all about her today. So, we are doing my mom a small get together outside of her house. Gosh, the lighting, so bad. Hold on, y'all. My brother's calling me. Hello.
Where you at?
On my way.
Meet you here.
Well, that's because y'all left at like 10 o'clock in the morning. All right, this is probably the best angle because when I had you guys up on my dashboard, it wasn't working for me. But anyway, on the way to my parents' house, my brother's already there. He was calling to see where I was because he never beats me there, but he did today. Whatever. So I made my mom a birthday cake. So I tried to shoot footage of that earlier. So I'll have to look back to see how that came out. If not, I'll go ahead and pop the reel that I made and put it here so you guys can see that. And I also made my mom some candy apples. So I'll go ahead and I know for sure I got good footage of that. So I'll go ahead and roll that footage right here of me making the candy apples. Alright guys, let's make some candy apples. This recipe will be linked down below and it is super easy. I'm starting off by putting in the apple sticks, and to clean apples, make sure you get the wax off the apples. I will say wet the sticks first and it'll be a smoother transition into the apple. And then I am making my candy mixture, which is super simple. It's corn syrup, water and sugar and dye. It is so delicious too, and just waiting till the mixture actually gets up to about 300 and 310 degrees. So definitely make sure you have a good thermometer in handy, but I promise you these candy apples are worth it. Got the temperature up and now we're ready to go ahead and make our apples. You know what? I should have let this cool a little bit. Because not letting it cool, I'm going to have bubbles, air bubbles, in my candy apples. It's all good. It's not too many air bubbles, so it'll work. All right, so these are the candy apples. I went ahead and put them in bags. Forgot to show you guys me bagging them because I'm getting my mom's birthday basket together. But she loves my candy apples, so I made her these and wrapped them in treat bags and tied them up. So it's super cute. She's, of course, not going to eat all of these, but she likes them, so I made them for her. So, yeah, you're pretty much up to date. What's been going on with me. I love the fact that I got up early and I was able to just like take my time, and I didn't feel rushed trying to make everything. I made her a basket for her birthday, so today's a good day. It's almost 70 degrees in Charlotte, so I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the day through the day with me today to celebrate my dearest, absolute favorite person in the world, which is my mom. I hope you guys noticed something different. My hair, your girl has officially locked her hair. I'll have to make a video about that. I just want to make sure that I'm committed to it and not comb them out before I make my first like lock video. So far it's going amazing, so it's actually going pretty good, so I enjoy it. So let me go ahead and drive and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.
Okay, go ahead. Come on. Just come on. All right, y'all. I made it to my mom's house. Let me just, Mom, say hey to my vlog.
Hey, vlog.
It's my mom's birthday.
It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, so we said, oh, Isaiah. Say hi. Hey, Isaiah. Y'all, look at the flowers that me and my siblings sent my mom for her birthday at work.
Okay.
So cute. All right, so some cupcakes. Y'all know I already made a cake. So we about to go outside and start eating. The party's from 2 to 5. It's 2:10, so my mama's on time. She's gonna get us in and out. So we having barbecue, baked beans. What else you fix? Hot dogs, chips, fruit tray, slaw and stuff. So yeah, we about to eat pretty darn good. So y'all say hey to Isaiah. Isaiah gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Hey guys.
All right, let's go out here and say hey to the people. Happy birthday.
Say Mom.
What you supposed to say? What you supposed to say?
Thank you, Gabby.
You're welcome.
Hi. Got you on.
Oh, I would still get my money. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Look at the babies. Whoa, Emmanuel. King, you see yourself? Look. Who's that?
You got a new camera, Gabby? That's nice.
Wow.
Let me go, Cassie. You good?
Jordan and Cassidy. Yeah.
Right? It's where the water that his cup, water cup.
All right, y'all. There's a lot of music. So
Ask his mama.
I'll catch up with you guys.
It may be used for the nurture of our body staff. But most of all, God, we continue to just thank you for the fellowship that you've given us on this day. These things we do ask in your name for Christ's sake. Amen. All right, hey, y'all know the rules. You gonna eat it or your mama gonna eat it one, okay? Y'all come on. Come on up, Miss Strawberry. Y'all come on.
Wait, Kylo, I'll get y'all.
I'm the only MJ on the block. I'ma need dark brown in my shop. Going up, I'm up on star. 'Cause I don't need your doubts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes know they can't take it. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.
I know that's right. Doing good, bro. Doing good, man. What you talking about, Kevin? What you talking about, Kevin? Kevin's a bird.
At the end where the other buns at, okay?
Okay,
I
Mama.
messed up when I put them on trying to help unfold.
Wait, Daddy, go get on the grill.
Right.
Daddy, go get on the grill.
Okay, yeah. All right, y'all ready? All right, y'all ready to sing happy birthday? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, so we have cupcakes and ice cream. Cupcakes and ice cream.
Oh, Gabby. Oh, Gabby. Jake.
All right, you want a cupcake and ice cream? A whole one or half of it?
What?
Cupcake.
Give him a half of one.
Jakey. Kathleen, cake.
I ain't got nothing to cut it
Over
with.
there, there's a plastic spoon.
Jakey said yes.
Tonight? Or after school?
Leave me alone,
Hold on,
Keisha.
Keisha.
I'm going
Look,
to
Gabby
say
got yours.
today. You got me?
Yeah, you want some ice cream?
Yes.
Okay.
I want ice cream.
Okay, you want ice cream too? Okay. Drake, I got you.
Give me,
baby. Let me grab some napkins and clean this chair.
Where's Nicole?
Nicole. Nicole.
He's there.
You gave Mama her gift back.
Her basket. Yeah. She didn't need to buy the watch and stuff on the gift. Here, Isabel. Take this home with you too.
All right, go ahead. Mom, so we can go.
Please. I'm bored.
And my battery's charging up. That's why I ain't got my camera
For your
there.
camera?
Put my camera when I turn it on while we're done.
I wish I could video.
Hey, you don't want cupcake,
That's cute.
Do you see what it says?
Oh my God. That's cute.
Mom, give me a flashlight.
No.
Mom, give me a flashlight.
Oh my, this one's for people too.
A jumpsuit. He got it tonight.
I can wear this church tomorrow.
Where you going?
Yeah, it's like pajamas.
It's a jumpsuit.
Oh.
Wait,
Guess I'm gonna be blinging out like you, Cass.
it's a fancy
What
jumpsuit.
kind of shoes I got to wear with this? I think I might have. I don't know.
No way.
That's what I said.
I don't know. I might. What does it say on it, though?
Come on, nothing nobody can read. I don't know.
No, it's okay. It's for the aesthetic.
Yeah, it's
It's for the aesthetic.
Get look at this a bit. Yeah, I'm trying. You know, I'm trying something with y'all read. Let's see if I can wear it.
Come on, King Sir.
okay. Smell it.
Okay.
Smell it.
Perfume.
When you ain't got no money,
you fan.
when you ain't got no money, you gonna smell like money.
Ah.
This one that where you just put a damn.
That's it.
That's
A little goes.
Cassidy, $100.
A little goes a long way.
If you adore her,
100.
Thank you.
Dior her.
Cassidy, I love
You
that.
adore her,
Please.
Dior her.
Oh, it's this.
Baby girl.
No, don't
Hey,
do
baby
it.
girl. Drop it like you go night night.
Let me eat it. Do
Oh,
it.
Cassidy, you gotta be
I'm gonna be
myself.
looking cute and smelling fresh tomorrow.
See, look, no,
Don't do it.
I bet it.
Go ahead, drop the mic.
double it, babe, because I don't know.
No,
Hold on, are you betting against me?
no, we're better. No, we're
But you spent
better.
all that money.
King Sir.
Mom,
I
okay.
don't want to break it, Gabby.
Look, if you sprayed it, if you want, look, one
On one
spray.
spray, Mom. That's how
So
you need.
It's my
listen,
expensive perfume is oil based.
don't nobody need to smell it. If everybody want to spray it, smell it. I'm gonna spray it one time.
No, they
No,
don't
we
need to
don't
smell.
need to
They don't
spray
need
it.
to smell.
I do not spray it.
What?
You smell it at church.
Just spray it.
We
No,
gonna flip
on
it.
your wrist.
No, I'm not
Ma,
gonna
just
waste
huh, spray it on me.
No,
Oh,
no,
you
no,
right here.
no.
Oh, he is.
Where you going,
I want to remind myself what it smells like.
No. I'll tell you how it smells, Mark.
But
Shanice,
you may not like it.
Shanice
So I
will
can
tell me I
take it
smell
home.
good at church. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Mom, where's the
Emma
plastic
said
cup?
you
Are
need
you?
to church before Bible study.
Mom, stop
Yes, thank you.
Mom, stop acting lazy.
Don't do that, huh?
Don't say that, son.
Uh-oh.
Don't do
She
that.
almost
Calm down.
Takes one out.
Where's the
Gotta
plastic
take one out.
cup?
Just wait.
Some people
I don't have one. I don't know. Wait.
Oh, that's Quilla's.
I
I
can
put
do
that in there.
that.
So
Dang, cool. I still gotta get, you gotta still get those other things, cool. Those popsicle
be
things.
King
careful.
Sir.
Thank y'all.
One day, Mama, I'll have it like Gabby.
One day, I just think that. I know they got Gabby's face on it. I know they got Gabby's face on it.
I get my shower tonight. Put these on.
Gabby, I thought you was lying.
This is the favorite part, Gabby.
Oh, y'all.
Look at BJ and Chloe. This is jealous.
You should get on
Zoom in, Gabby. Zoom in, Gabby. Zoom in. Say something. Yeah.
That's
Really, Gabby?
Hey, I'm done.
Oh, and she got the bottoms.
Gabby, I see your picture.
I'm done.
Good night.
I'm done. That's why she your favorite.
I was
And you
gonna-
sleep with her.
I was gonna do Jerry's face too, but they would let me just do one. They told me I could only do one face. So I just did one face.
Y'all, yep. Always have.
Really, Gabby? Who comes up with something like that?
I do.
Somebody did. Cause
I
Gabby-
do.
they-
I saw it online and I was like, okay, how much is this? I'm paying for it.
Bye.
Alright guys.
I'm sorry, Mama. I ain't got it like that. I don't either. I don't got you.
Is that all? That's all that's in
Yep,
there?
that was it.
Thank you for the candy apple, though. I
Let
do
me get
appreciate
here's the candy
that.
apple again, guys.
That's all that's in
Alright,
there.
I'll do that.
So let me tell you about my sisters while I flash pictures of my mom. My siblings were betting that I was going to announce that I was pregnant. And I was like, so who won the money because I'm not pregnant? They were throwing up big dollars, but back to the video.
Alright guys, I am now home, showered, put on some night clothes, I'm comfortable, and I'm about to chill. I'm about to make a small bowl of cereal before I go to bed. And that's about it. Today was an amazing day. My mom, as you guys could see, was so happy about her gift. It was funny to see everybody's reaction about the pajamas, but that's just my style. That's my mama. So it was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed following along with me. If you have any questions, if you made it to the end of the video, definitely leave me a comment down below and say hey. I would love to chat it up with you. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.